Question. The main object of an audit is options A. Expression of opinion. Option B. Detection and prevention of fraud and error. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. To verify the account and to report whether account have been drawn properly. Answer option D. To verify the account and to report whether account have been drawn properly. Auditing standards differ from audit procedures related to option A. Audit assumptions. Option B. Acts to be performed. Option C. Quality criterion. Option D. Methods of work. Answer option B. Acts to be performed. Professional skepticism requires that the auditor assume that management is option A. Neither honest nor dishonest. Option B. Reasonably honest. Option C. Not necessarily honest. Option D. Dishonest unless proved otherwise. Answer option A. Neither honest nor dishonest. Question. Audit of bank is an example of option A. Statutory audit. Option B. Balance sheet audit. Option C. Concurrent audit. Option D. All of the above. Answer option D. All of the above. Which of the following auditing assurance standard deals with audit planning? Options A. AAS 7. Option B. AAS 8. Option C. AAS 9. Option D. AAS 3. Answer option B. AAS 8. Concurrent audit is a part of option A. Internal check system. Option B. Continuous audit. Option C. Internal audit system. Option D. None. Answer option C. Internal audit system. Who out of the following cannot be appointed as a statutory auditor of the company? Options A. Erstwhile director. Option B. Internal auditor. Option C. Relative of a director. Option D. Only B and C. Answer option D. Only B and C. The branch auditor is appointed by option A. Shareholders in an AGM. Option B. Shareholders in GM. Option C. Board of directors in board meeting. Option D. Any of the above. Answer option B. Shareholders in GM. Question. The statutory auditor of a government company submits his report to options A. The board of directors of the company. Option B. The legislature. Option C. The C and AG. Option D. The company secretary. Option C. The C and AG. The auditor is most likely to examine related party transactions very carefully while vouching. Option A. Credit sales. Option B. Sales return. Option C. Credit purchases. Option D. Cash purchase. Answer option C. Credit purchases. An audit conducted to examine every aspect of a business is called option A. Detailed audit. Option B. Complete audit. Option C. Partial audit. Option D. Management audit. Answer option D. Management audit. Question. When an auditor is appointed to check each and every transaction, total balance, etc. with the help of vouchers, it is said to be option A. Complete audit. Option B. Partial audit. Option C. Detailed audit. Option D. None of these. Option A. Complete audit. Question. The verification of the correctness of cost accounts and of the adherence to the cost accounting plan is known as option A. Statutory audit. Option B. Proprietary audit. Option C. Cost audit. Option D. Efficiency audit. Answer option C. Cost audit. Question. Internal audit is conducted by A. Comptroller and Audit General of India. Option B. The employees. Option C. Professional auditors. Option D. Ministry of Finance. Answer option B. The employees.